so much hot, not too much, it's bearable at least. So I'm here in Khaibar first day. First I will see that what kind of stalls are there, and after that I will decide which one I have to buy. And I love biryani, so biryani and kebab I will definitely try. Let's see what are the stalls are there. So I'm here in ABP Ananda Khaibar Pass. Like every year I'm here. This year it will be here from 4th to 6th March. Let me see what are the stalls they have. First it's just my route. They do the delivery, and this is the stage. These are the sponsors. And the stalls right now. Let me see what are the stalls we have. Bench Baker, and then Wuhan Lost and Rare Recipes. I have seen this Lost and Rare Recipes in Facebook, and then ANGIE'S, then Shoptopati, they are coming every year. So I always try their combos. And this is the row. You can get sweets over here. Biryani. I will try biryani definitely. Red Rooster, exotic meat, turkey, salmon, squid. You can get in Red Rooster. So this is Red Rooster. And APANJAN Kalighat for snacks. Different kind of snacks they have. This one I always try. And then India restaurant Khiderpur. The yellow straw. Tarticiano. Of course I will try. Not today but tomorrow maybe. Chujo Modo. Then Mishti Bangla Bardhaman. I always try Mihidana from here. Zamzam restaurant. This is for the first time. We came here for the first time. Sapami. The Momo story. Mochak is there. Batai Mishtano Bhandar Howrah. That is a must try. I tried their sweet before and really it's worth it. So you can try from there. They have some different kind of sweets. I'm sorry. So the strawberry cream wrap is there. You can try that. Sugar juice is there. Tawa biryani. I am from Jadavpur, so this restaurant is from Jadavpur. Late, I tried last year cafe for putting in the pork items. You can try khichuri from there, khichuri platter if they have this year. Lote mach bhaja and all. Topse fry is there. So I always try for topse fry and lote mach. So Rooster King. Again that basmati pulao and mutton kosha or chicken kosha. ANGIE'S and Khawab. Then Bawarchi again, Bawarchi Jadavpur. Khawab, I thought about that and I'm going to try this year. And the chocolates, Hindustan sweets from Jadavpur. This is from West Bengal government. Bongo Roshonali. I think this is for the first time here. D-Colors Caterer. And Pithe Vilashi, Bangla Doi is there, Hugli, Kutir Shilpo, Srirampur. You can try for the pickles. Nice. And my favorite Darkeshano, Bhimnag, Sompriti Online, Doyala, and Pakora Molik and Son.
তুই কি আমার কাছে চাইবি যখন চেষ্টা করবো ওটা এমার্জেন্সি তখন তুই আমার কাছে নিবি ঠিক আছে আমার তো তোমার একটা গোলা সামনে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি খুলে নাও
and kebab zone. Again that basmati pulao, chicken kosha, everything you can get it. La fuchka, different kind of fuchka, and Robin Hood Island.